The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Plunge Router. Number 5. Skill 14 Amp Plunge Router. Introducing Skill Plunge Router 2. 5 horsepower motor that lets you match superpower to the bit you're using for multifunctionality. This woodworking router allows you to convert between both fixed and plunge base effortlessly. With soft start technology, the kit may start slow, so that offer time to adjust. On the other hand, precise depth adjustments ensure optimum RPMs. If you are in the woodworking profession, you know better how the machine vibrates while working. This is not only making a distraction on work but also annoying. To solve the problem, this Skill Plunge kit designed the tool with ergonomic handles to reduce fatigue and vibration over long use. Makes sense? Not only the tool, the package also includes a couple of necessary pieces of stuff like collets, collet wrench, 2 dust extraction adapters, clear subbase, an edge guide, an additional wrench for depth adjustment, and chip shields. Seems like a solid performer in speed control, allow to adjust the speed. The safety feature is so rare in Plunge router, but Skill also care good care of it. How? There is a live tool indicator which lit up when the tool is connected to power to keep you alert and secure. Such a great tool for small, DIY projects. The goods. 3 LED lights. LCD display. Maintain optimum RPMs. The bad. The digital part is not so accurate. Coming in number 4. Triton 3 and 1/4 HP Dual Mode Plunge Router. Undoubtedly, the feature that keeps it ahead from the rest of the other is easy to use. How? There are certain cool features like built-in router lift which allow a simple way of bit changes. Another one is the automatic spindle lock which plays a crucial role in safe bit changes. Above all, the access brushes make changing a breeze. The interesting part is how side air vents minimize the risk of dust intake into the motor casings. What's the reason behind it? Powerful 3 and 1/4 horsepower motor is good enough to tackle the toughest timber with precision. Total control is ensured with precision designing. First and foremost, it's such a smart tool, can be used as handheld or table mount. The process of change is super easy. For handheld, you will find a single button switch to convert in the fixed base router with pinion mode. What about table mounting? For that, you will find quick fit pins at the base. There is also a removable spring allows for simple bit adjustment. The good's easy to use, always safe. 0.3 stage turret. The bad, the power switch is on horrible position. Coming in number 3. Makita RT0701 CX7. It's hard to find something versatility as well as precision in a compact size. Don't even try to deny it. Looks like Makita read your minds and by the help of experts woodworker designed the Makita RT0701 CX7 1 and 1/4 horsepower compact router kit to blow your mind. What's so special about Makita compact router kit? Let's take a closer look. Weighs only 3.9 pounds, this ergonomic design router has some cool feature. While the flat top plays a great role in inconvenience when changing bits. The most unsexy part of the Plunge router, that takes hell amount of time to be removed as well as to install the new one. And this Makita solves this problem with this router tool, now you can easily the base easily. The shaft lock is also designed for fast bit changes. Sounds amazing, isn't it? That's not all, non-marring base insert will automatically maximize the workpiece protection. Have to work a lot under pressure? No worry, electronic speed control ensures a stable speed under load. But I'm pretty much sure, smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system is the finest feature Makita ever produced. If you are a professional woodworker and have to operate the precise settings more often, then you will realize how handy this adjustment system is actually. The goods. Variable speed control dial. Shaft lock. Easy to read depth scales. The bad. The on-off switch sucks. Coming in number 2. DeWalt DWP611PK. DeWalt Compact Router Plunge Base is the most precious machine we came across. Why? It's so surprising to see a low tool weight has such heavy-duty, die-cast aluminum base. Durable 1.25 horsepower motor is so good to meet the toughest applications. The DWP611PK is absolutely a beast when it comes to speed to be optimized. Powerful 1.25 horsepower motor will take good care to tackle the toughest woodworking tasks. But wait, there's more. Want to try Plunge base? No issue, for Plunge base, it's 2 inches. Impressive, low-pressure spindle lock button lets you change the wrench effortlessly. Here is the coolest one, the precise depth adjustments ensure quick motor pack removal. You will enjoy this for both bit and base changes. The feature I adore most is the LED light. This light offers amazing bit visibility. Large Plunge base platform is so handy for added stability. This got the certified frustration-free batch, so don't worry about quality. Let's not forget. Soft starting motor gives the best electronic feedback so that you get the cut effortlessly. The goods. Over-molded rubber handles. Dual LEDs. Extended sub-base. The bad. The base feels like a little sloppy. Coming in number 1. Bosch 1617Fs. Looking for a versatile plunge and fixed base router? Here you go, Bosch Router 1617Fs is the right fit of what you yearn for. This kit offers all the components needed for fixed depth routing. Why am I calling it versatile? This simple-looking powerhouse has a broad range of applications including edge forming, slot cutting, bit plunging, dovetail cutting and laminate trimming. As good as it sounds. Now let's talk about construction. Fully constructed by aluminum, this is so far the durable wood routers on a fixed base. But the best part of this tool is most probably the soft grip wooden handles. You won't feel that you are holding a machine for that extended period of time. What's quite a lot, isn't it? The things that impress me most, with the help of response circuitry, this router ensures a stable speed while you're working. And the result? Cleaner, more accurate cut within a blink. We all know, 12 amp is the most powerful tool used in woodworking and all these kinds of stuff. You will be that this 1617Fs is also 12 amp with 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. And I guess 2.25 horsepower is also decent to clean result. Still not convinced with RPM? Well, the speed control technology is so advanced that this will automatically monitor the RPM fluctuation for smooth performance. The goods. Microfine bit depth adjustment. Double insulated. Compatible with a good chunk of set and template. The bad. The adjustment knob is a joke.